everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you a cleanser review from Cosrx. Watch on for more details. Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how's that packaging? The cleanser comes in a white 150 ml tube with a flip cap on top. The product is thick gel-like in consistency and is clear in color. The packaging and whole concept is very attractive, and personally I like this packaging very much, and this product is really travel friendly and easy to carry. It is an affordable face wash which does what it claims to do. It comes in a generous quantity, has a soothing aroma, adds moisture to skin and easily removes dirt and makeup. So this face wash is really effective for our skin. This face wash contains tea tree oil. We all know that tea tree oil is a very effective ingredient of our skin. So if you like an hydrating cleanser, this cleanser is perfect for you, because this cleanser contains tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, which is evident by its fragrance. Tea tree oil is a very popular skincare ingredient which fights acne and pimple and has antibacterial properties. It also contains BHA, beta hydroxy acids, which is very popular skin exfoliant and is known to remove dead skin cells and help in skin rejuvenation. With regular use, it helps diminish fine lines and wrinkles, make skin firmer, add moisture, repair textured skin and reduce uneven skin tone. BHA is also known to reduce appearance of clogged pores. So this cleanser is really effective for our skin. It removes dirt, makeup and oil and clears out the pores, and it does not strip skin of its natural skin moisture. It is sulfate free, so it's very safe for our skin. If you like an hydrating cleanser, this cleanser is perfect for you, and this cleanser is suitable for all skin types like dry, normal, combination or oily. Even it suits on sensitive skin, but before you use this product, patch test is needed. This cleanser suits on all skin types. So now I'm saying that how to use this cleanser. Apply and spread low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser on dry face and massage gently. Lightly moisten face and create a light foam. Then spread on entire face with gentle circular motions. Then rinse off. So yeah, this is the video. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends.